Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be preparing plantain porridge the Jamaican way. But before I jump into what I have here, I would like to bless you with the scriptures taken from Isaiah 55 verse 6. Seek the Lord while he may be found. Call on him while he is near. Remember to seek Christ and give your heart to Christ, okay? Alright guys, so this is what we have. We have our condensed milk. I'm going to use some Benjamin vanilla. I'm going to use my evaporated milk, my ground nutmeg, my coconut milk. I have cinnamon stick. I have my bay leaf. If you do have cinnamon leaf, you can also use that. And I'm going to still go in with my ground cinnamon. Now, the star of the show is the green plantains, right? I'm going to use 3 green plantains. All right. If you have sugar, you can also add sugar. I think the condensed milk is very sweet, so for this porridge I would not be using brown sugar, but back in the day my mom would use some brown sugar in the porridge. All right guys, stay tuned. All right guys, so I'm going to peel my plantains, and this is how I would peel it. Alright guys, so I'm going to add my plantains to my blender. And then I'm going to add my evaporated milk along with my coconut milk. And then I'm going to blend. I'm going to add some more evaporated milk to it. Then I'm going to blend. At this point, you know what you can also add? If you would like, you can add some oats to it, or you can add flour to it. For my porridge, I do not want flour or oats. Alright, and then I'm going to blend. Alright guys, so I'm going to put my cinnamon stick and my bay leaf in my pot, like so. I'm going to let that boil, okay? Alright guys, so I'm going to actually add my mixture to my water right there. So I'm gonna pour it from my blender. While I'm pouring, I'm gonna be like mixing and pouring. Well, you're going to cover your pot so you can let it cook for a little bit, okay? About 20 minutes. Let's just get a quick check on our porridge right here. Alright, this is what it looks like, guys. It's cooking. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to sweeten our porridge. So this is what it looks like. Alright, nice plantain porridge here. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Alright, so so this is the plantain porridge. I'm gonna have it with some cinnamon crackers. Alright guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.